How to lift subject from iPhone photo and remove background with Photo App Cutout feature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lift subject from iPhone photo and remove the background. Now for this, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is open up your photos. Open up the Photos app and select the photo that you want to cut out. Now there, the subject, tap on the subject and start long pressing on it. After you do that, it will start scanning, and after you can just remove it from the image like this. What you can do is you can then leave it. Then you'll get three options such as copy, add sticker and share. So you can tap on the copy button and it will just copy the subject. Now you can paste it wherever you want, such as your mail. So let's paste it on our mail. Long press on the mail on the compose email side. Let me do that again. And long press on it, and then you'll get the paste button. Paste it, and that is what it will look like without the background. Now it's the same for Snapchat or any other app as well. So let's open up our Snapchat, click a picture, and then simply paste it. So long press on the text section and tap on the paste button. And it's that simple. And that is how you lift subject from iPhone photo and remove background with the Photo Cutout app feature. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.